How to use Klarna on Uber Eats. Open up Uber Eats and log into your Uber Eats account. You're going to go to your account option here. Click on your accounts option, and then now under accounts you will see the wallet option. So what are you going to do? Open up your wallet option, and then once you want to open up your wallet option here, you're going to scroll down here, and then you're going to hit on add payment method. So you don't add payment method. You want to set up a pay later option. So if you want to pay later, then you to choose any of these pay later options you will use. You will have like Afterpay, Klarna or Zip. The different kinds of buy now, pay later options, so you can choose any one of these options as your payment method. So for me, I have the Zip option. I'm going to pay later on Uber Eats. Simply select the Zip option. So this will take me to the Zip side. We are going to authorize and set it up for you. Thanks for watching.